God damn it. I got that on video.
Good morning, everyone.
Vodka and water.
After my hike last weekend at Tettegouche State Park, I ran up to my sister and brother-in-law's house, who live on a little lake just north of me. Just so happened that Jason was out on the ice doing a little crappie fishing, so I decided to join him for a couple hours. Well, we had a pretty good time, so we decided to make arrangements to go the following day, get out and do a little more fishing. So this is a little new for me, doing a fishing video, so I hope everybody enjoys. And just a little update on my knee. I'm meeting with a surgeon this morning to try to set up a date for the surgery. It's nothing too major, it's just scope, torn meniscus, and then there's a water sac or something right next to the tear, and that's where they think the majority of the pain's coming from. So they'll try to remove that. So I'll try to get this video out sometime this afternoon, if not tomorrow morning first thing. So I hope everybody enjoys and take care out there, and we will update you after I get back from the doctor's office. For those that have never ice fished before, right now Jason, my brother-in-law, is currently just drilling some holes. We're going to use the Vexilar, which is a mini sonar device, I guess, to check depths, the tops of the weed line, and then any fish that may be moving through. So after we find what we think is a suitable spot, according to the sonar, or the video game as I call it, where you see some fish moving through and the depth looks about right, and Jason comes back and plows out the snow a little bit, mostly because we don't like using shovels. And all that it's really doing is preventing the snow from melting under our feet and creating big water puddles. Then we'll set up our clamshell, and the rest of the day we just sit back and enjoy the fishing.
Let's see. Crappie.
Yeah, nice crappie. Oh yeah. Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, you just scared all of them away.
So there's crappies in here. Check out. Nice little fella. That's not bad, little buddy.
Oh yeah. It's court recording.
And I'm having a little too long.
Yeah, that's what's nice when you hit a hole, you get a bunch of hits in.
Oh, I gotta go get my seed. A smaller one though.
Yeah, throw them back if he's healthy.
Oh, you lost him.
You want to save them or? Look at this, guys. Doubles.
Nice size too.
Yeah, not bad. Now I got to figure out. So much for this. Here, where's your hookers there?
It should have been.
I thought you had them in there, but then you moved it. Did they fall back out?
They're right there.
It's right there at the top. You can probably stick your finger in its mouth and grab the. Kind of hard to do it with a camera in my goddamn hands.
I got it for you.
Okay, well, thank you, sir. I didn't want to touch it. It's slimy. I got one.
It's probably the same one. Is this on record?
Yeah, it's running. Well, actually, I don't think it is running. I think you got to just hit record. Oh, yeah. Another little guy.
It's court recording.
That one I got when you were up at the house, we won't discuss that one.
It was just a little guy, huh?
Yeah.
A little fella?
Yeah. Come on. I think I might have let him off. Nope, I got him still. He's a small guy
recording?
too. Yeah, it was recording when I put it down. Oh no, he ain't back.
Oh, that's not a bad one.
Record.
Nope.
Oh yeah, another little guy. Actually, he ain't too bad. Bucket? Or do you want to?
Oh, but she's a little guy.
Yeah, that's like the one I got when you were up at the house. I got one now too, son. Come on, gonna hit it again? Come on. Gotta show everyone that I got the bigger one this time.
Yeah, huh?
This one you want to save then?
Yeah, I'll say that one. What do you have to say about that one?
That was a nice little fighter too. Although I said that about the last one too. Oh no, you got a little. Come on. I don't want to get hooked.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Another good one. Saver. Ah, did it again. No, he's still on there. I told you he swam right over to my hole.
Yep. Another little guy.
Come on, don't hook me with the damn hook. Active and healthy though.
Yeah.
I don't want to get that hook.
Wow.
Oh, there they go. Damn it.
I got that on video.
Here, you hold that.
Oh yeah, he's running with her. Here we go. Bam! Holy mother! Oh, this one? Oh yeah. This has got some. Oh yeah, it's got some bite to her. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, I didn't get the damn video though. Although maybe overhead got it.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice one.
How many we got in here?
I don't know.
You got her, huh?
Yeah, this time I did. I don't know how well I'm hooked though.
I got one too.
Go for it.
Ooh, this is a big one.
That's a northern. Maybe. Don't horse it.
Ooh.
Yeah, don't horse it. Yep. Little northern. Reach in there and grab it.
There you go.
Stick your fingers in its mouth. Told you you'd get one over here.
Yeah.
You didn't swallow it either.
Uh-uh.
You didn't hardly have that thing hooked.
No.
Clean again.
Yeah.
Yeah, a few little spots on it. Yep. Good job.
Yeah.
Got it on the tip up.
Not a bad one either.
Throw him back in there and let him grow up. Oh, maybe he doesn't want to go back in there.
Yeah. That was a good catch. Nope, another little.
Not little.
This is a little guy.
Little guy. Good fighter though.
He gave up little. He gave up fight though. This is a little guy, buddy. He was fighting.
Yeah, I gotta find you first in the camera here. Oh yeah.
Oh, I take it.
Oh yeah. Not much of one though.
Not much on.
Oh yeah. We just said light. He isn't so bad. Yeah. Yeah, just throw mine back in. Jason catches another.
That's a pretty nice size too.
Yeah. Must be a nice little school moving through again.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Not a bad size.
And I'm back. I just want to thank Jason real quick here for spending the day out on the lake with me. It was quite a bit of fun. We both seem to have come close to limiting out on our crappie catch. That last little clip in there with the northern pike he caught off of a tip up. So yeah, it was a really great day out on the lake. It was really windy, but temperatures were nice, so made for a very good day of fishing. Next, a little update on the knee now. Got back from the doctor's office and they scheduled my knee surgery for the 16th of March, which 2 to 3 week recovery time gives me plenty of time for a potential job I may be starting in Granby, Colorado, quite near the mouth of Rocky Mountain National Park.
Another perch.
Provided everything goes right. I can't get into what the job is or anything like that, but that's what's potentially on the upcoming list, so stay tuned. We'll find out more as the days progress. Thanks for watching, everybody.